So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from your PayPal business account. Now we actually have the app over here in real time so you can follow along step by step. Now we are here on the homepage of our app as of this recording, and you can see up here towards the very top, we have our PayPal balance of $69.39, and we want to withdraw some of this. Now here we can click anywhere inside of this PayPal balance box. You can see kind of this outline of the box. Go ahead and click on here. Now from the balance page, you're going to again see your PayPal balance. And if you kind of scroll towards the middle of the page, you're going to see where it says more options and then the word transfer. We're going to go ahead and click on this. And it's going to bring up a little pop-up menu here to let you know you can either transfer internationally or transfer to your bank. And we want to click on transfer to bank. Now from here, there is going to be the very top where it's going to show your total balance. It's going to have you withdraw all of it, but you can click the little pencil to change the total amount that you want to have pulled out. So if we click on this, it's going to have a little menu here to go ahead and ask you how much you'd like to pull out. And let's go ahead and say $25 for example. Click on done. And then it's going to give us two options as far as how quickly do we want this money to show up. We got in 1 to 3 business days with no fees, or we can have it show up in minutes with a 1.5% fee. And it does have a cap, I believe up to $20 or $25 if I'm not mistaken, but that will show up in your account within minutes. Now there is a caveat in this section. You do need to make sure you have a debit card on file to be able to go ahead and do this. And not every debit card will have that functionality, but if it does, it'll show up as an option. Now over here next, it's going to show the bank account we have on file. And if you want to, you can click on change. And then a new pop-up menu will show the different accounts you have on file. Now, if you don't have the one you want to send that money to, you can click on link a new bank account, go through that process to add it onto this list, and then click the bank you want to have it transferred to. And then from here, you're going to see the total fee, which of course, because we're transferring in the 1 to 3 business days, it will not cost us anything. Now, as of my experience personally, I typically see that within mostly a 1 to 2 business day. I've never really actually seen it for 3, but just something to keep in mind. And it will let you know that if it's after 7 p.m. ET, that it can take a little bit longer for you. So just something to keep in mind in this process. If everything looks good, we're going to click on transfer the 25 USD here at the bottom. And just like that, you could see you are withdrawing your PayPal business bank account balance into your business bank account. Now, if you actually want to learn more when it comes to utilizing your PayPal business account, we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen.